Hey guys, Jeremy here with Ralston Creek CrossFit HomeFit, your Friday edition. It's April 3rd. Today we're going to be getting into a little 12-minute AMRAP, but first let's talk about our warm-up. For your warm-up today, let's go hit a 100-meter run, and then when you get back from that run, we're going to do a 5-minute AMRAP. We're going to be hitting 5x5 dumbbell or backpack deadlifts, 5x5 dumbbell or backpack push press, and then we have 5 up-down step-ups, or we can do some up-down over bags. I'm going to show you guys that too. So I'm going to be working with my backpack here. I get back from my 100-meter run. I'm then going to take and I'm going to grab on so that I'm holding this like a suitcase, and I'm going to be going through 5 deadlifts there, and I'll switch, go 5 on the other side. If that's just a little too heavy for you, you can take that and go just your 10 deadlifts right there. You want to get a little extra challenge in, you can take and do some single leg deadlift stuff to focus on some balance there as well. So play around with this one. We got then 5x5 dumbbell push press. Again, if I have my dumbbell, I'd be up in the front rack position. I can do this with my bag as well. And I'm just going to be taking from here a little hinge hip, dip, and press. And I got 5 of those. And then I'll switch sides again if it's too heavy and you don't want to have to reload your backpack. We can just be taking that up into the front rack position, and we got 10 of our push press there. And we're going to be doing 5 up-down step-ups. So if I have a box, I can do some step-ups on this. I can do up-downs into a forward lunge alternating. So that would just be, I'm going to kick back into my up-down, come up, and then do a lunge, kick back, come up, do a lunge on the other side, play around with that a little bit. Or I can go into my up down here and then take and jump up and over my back. So play around with that one a little bit. So then for our warm up or our workout today, we're going to be doing a 12-minute AMRAP. And if you do have dumbbells, we could be doing 10 alternating dumbbell clean jerks. So that's 1 bell. And we're going to be taking and bringing that down just like we were with the suitcase deadlift. A little tap there, up, clean it, and then I'm going to drop myself back under it. Okay, let's say that I'm working on dropping underneath and I start to find that my rib cage is coming out. I would then take that and go into a clean followed by a push press to try to negate any of that dropping underneath and protect the midline there. So we have 10 alternating. So that means as I'm coming back down, I'm going to drop into that other hand, hit it out on the other side, and go through the other side, okay? For your backpack, we're just going to be doing backpack ground overhead. So I grab that backpack from here, take it, pop it up overhead, and then back down. Boom. So I hit 10 of those there. So make sure back stays flat, stomach stays tight, don't get sloppy in this one. Then I have those 5 burpees over my backpack, or if I do have that box, I'm going to do 5 burpee box jump overs, which would just mean I'm going to be facing the box, dropping down, and then jumping up onto the box and dropping off. For your backpack, you can do the same thing, facing the backpack instead of going lateral like we did in the warm-up there. And then I'm going to finish that with a 200-meter run. Remember, if you haven't already calculated out your 100-meter, your 200, your 400, get that done. You can use an app to do it. Map My Run is a good one. You can also just use a clock, go out for a jog. 100 meter is going to be 30 seconds out, 30 seconds back. 200, minute out, minute back. 400, 2 minutes out, or I'm sorry, minute out, minute back. So I switched that up a little bit. Or 200 meters should be 30 seconds out, 30 seconds back for a 1-minute run there. So kind of divide that up, you can use that. That's our workout for Friday. We do have an optional finisher, but for you guys, I wouldn't really call this optional because I know you want to get that extra work in. So 2 to 3 sets, we're going to be doing a 2-minute plank hold. So this is going to be either on the hands or the elbows, and we're going for 2 minutes. If you need to rest on this, it's going to be a quick knee down and then coming back up and holding that. If you need to come off the hand, shake it out really quick, do it, but then get right back into it. We're accumulating 2 minutes of that. Then we're going to be going into 20 feet together squats, These are the squats I make you guys do for warm-ups in class, but feet together, and we're hitting our squat here. Let's say that's a little too much, and I'm not getting below parallel. Just widen up your feet a little bit so that you can get into that parallel. And then we're gonna be doing 1 minute farmer hold as heavy as possible. That would be if I have 2 objects. I'm gonna hold on both sides, and I'm going as heavy as I possibly can on this thing. So maybe you have a couple kids that want to be held up for a minute, hold them both on both sides, or if I only have 1 object, I'm gonna go 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds on the other to finish that up. All right, guys, so 2 to 3 sets there for quality, not for time. Have a great Friday. I'll see you next time.